I'm Dr. Vidya T.S., consultant dermatologist practicing in Bangalore. Today we are going to discuss about the groundbreaking evolutions in the photoprotective strategies. Though there are many sunscreens, topical sunscreens available in the market, they come with certain limitations. So we have to explore the innovative photoprotective strategies not as a replacement for the already available topical sunscreens, but to enhance the efficacy of the topical sunscreens which are available in the market. Now, to talk about the intrinsic limitations of the topical sunscreens, there is DNA damage and mutations which are caused by the direct UV exposure. There is oxidative stress leading to cell aging and damage. There is chronic inflammation and irritation that compromises the skin health. Collagen breakdown leading to loss of elasticity and premature aging. Now coming to the extrinsic limitations, there is inconsistent application or reapplication of the sunscreen which is avoided by most patients in topical sunscreens. There is reduced efficacy due to the sweat, water or the environmental factors. There is incomplete coverage, especially forgetting the neglected areas. There is individual variations in skin barrier function and the absorption. Collectively, these challenges highlights the need for a systemic approach that fortifies the skin from the inside out. Is there an innovative way to enhance the photoprotection from within? Yes, now coming to the age-old antioxidants and the evolving science, for years, antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E have been valued for their photoprotective potentials, helping to neutralize the free radicals and to support skin health. However, the quest continues for more advanced, targeted solutions, and this is where the red-orange complex steps in. Now, to talk about the ROC approach, that is the red-orange complex, this is the next-gen oral sun protection. Derived from 3 pigmented varieties of red oranges, the red-orange complex, as it is called, is a potent blend of natural antioxidants. Its benefits include neutralizing the free radicals caused by UV exposure, supporting the DNA repair, reducing the risk of sun-induced mutations, reducing the inflammation, calming the sun-triggered redness and irritation, preserving the collagen, maintaining skin elasticity and therefore reducing the photoaging. Red-orange complex is clinically proven for its benefits in superior photoprotection with at least 8 scientific publications. Now coming to the future of photoprotection, modern lifestyle actually demands continuous and reliable photoprotection. Even these topical sunscreens which you apply can wear out or they are not applied properly. So oral sun protection ensures that there is sustained internal defense from inside, making it an ideal adjunct to the traditional photoprotection strategies which are already available. So sun exposure is inevitable. All of us have to go out in the sun. But comprehensive protection is actually possible. And for this, the oral sun protection represents the next-gen solution, supporting the long-lasting systemic photoprotection from within along with the topical sunscreens. Thank you.